Stop asking AI to write your essays and do your homework. It's making you dumber, not smarter.
Wait, I thought this video was about how AI can help us study so fast it feels like cheating.
It is, just not the way you've been using it.
What's wrong with the way I'm using it? ChatGPT wrote this brilliant paper on quantum physics.
Did you understand a single word of it?
Not one. But my professor will, and that's all that matters, right?
That right there is why 90% of students are using AI completely wrong, and why people view it as a threat. AI is not here to outsource your thinking. It's here to upgrade it. It can focus on the small tasks that take a lot of your time while you focus on the big tasks like studying.
Hey, that's not fair. I've been getting straight A's since I discovered ChatGPT.
Oh, really? Then what's that on your paper?
Let's not talk about that.
Exactly what I thought. Anyway, today I'm going to show you 5 AI study hacks that'll completely transform the way you learn. You'll learn quicker and better. While everyone else is getting dumber by the minute, you'll be getting smarter every second you use AI the right way.
Let's go.
I'm glad you're excited, Will, because hack number 1 on the list is the AI Sherlock method.
Ah, yes, the case of the missing knowledge. And the suspect is my brain.
Will, you're not Sherlock. You're barely functional.
Thanks, ma'am. I don't know what that means, but I'll take it.
Now listen up. Most students use AI wrong, and you're one of them. They say, "Hey ChatGPT, explain this thing I don't understand," and then stare blankly at the wall for an hour.
So, that's not learning?
Nope, that's outsourcing your thinking to a robot while you scroll through cat memes. Will, if you want to learn, focus. Use the following prompt on ChatGPT. Make sure to replace your topic with whatever you're studying: organic chemistry, the Cold War, or why your brain turns into oatmeal every time someone says mitochondria.
Okay, let's try. ChatGPT quizzed me on organic reaction mechanisms and grade my answers like a salty professor.
It asked you, what's the difference between an element and a compound?
Uh, Elements are like on the periodic table, and compounds are what you put on your face when you're tired.
It said, an element is a pure substance like gold, oxygen, or Will's brain before this conversation. A compound is when elements team up like water. Hydrogen plus oxygen equals H2O. It's chemistry's version of a group project, except it actually works.
Ouch, that hurt. My brain is fully functional.
Sorry about that, Will, but at least you learned what you didn't know, and that's a win. Now, here's where it gets juicy. Ask the AI to explain the gaps using something you understand. Use this prompt. Can you explain confusing concept using an analogy based on something I know?
Can you explain substitution reactions using a pizza delivery analogy?
It says, the nucleophile is the delivery guy, the pizza is the electron pair, and the leaving group is that toxic friend you cut off last semester, who still shows up with iced coffee like it's all good.
Okay, now I get it. And also, I feel deeply attacked.
Good. That means it's working.
So, if I keep doing this, I'll get smarter?
Yes, I hope. Now it's time for the next hack, and trust me, you'll want to stick around. This one's made for anyone who zones out or sleeps through lectures.
Oh, what is it?
The second hack is called the lazy genius transcript trick.
Oh, genius? That's me, right?
Yes, of course it's you. Okay, picture this. You're in class. Your brain's at 3%, and your notes look like they lost a fight with 3 paint buckets.
I once drew a duck during a lecture and labeled it gravity. Ha ha ha, it was hilarious, the gravity duck. Ha ha ha.
And that's why this hack exists. Step 1. Open an app called Otter.ai. Press record. That's it. Just listen.
Otter? Like the fuzzy animal that holds hands?
No, Will. This is an AI that records your class lectures.
So it's like an emotional support otter for my GPA.
Sure, let's go with that. Step 2. After class, take the transcript and drop it into ChatGPT with this prompt. Turn this transcript into structured study notes. Include key ideas, definitions, and simple plus advanced explanations for better understanding.
Wait, so I don't have to write anything? It just makes notes for me?
Yes, unlike your handwriting, ChatGPT doesn't forget how letters work halfway through a sentence.
Can it also explain why my duck had sunglasses?
No, focus please. Use your willpower.
Okay, so I just show up, hit record, feed the transcript to AI, and I get a plus notes without doing the confusing part?
Exactly.
Wow! This Otter thing will change my life.
Okay, now it's time for hack number 3, aka the personal genius hack. This one's perfect for math, physics, and coding. Buckle up, grab some tea, leave a like, and sit back.
According to my calculations, I need exactly 7.3 Einsteins, 2 Teslas, and half a Da Vinci to pass my Spanish exam.
That's not how the genius works.
That's exactly what they told Einstein when he invented the hot deal.
For this one, take any topic where your brain short circuits the second someone says, let's solve for X. Step 1. Open a math-focused AI tool like Claude or Gemini. They're more accurate with complex problems than ChatGPT.
Oh, right. Those are the ones that don't just confidently lie to you?
Correct. Now use these exact prompts. 1. Break down this problem step by step. 2. Explain each step like I'm a beginner. 3. Give me similar practice problems to try. You don't just dump the whole thing in and copy the solution.
I would never do that.
Here's what you do. Ask for the first step, then try the next part on your own. If you get stuck, only then ask for a hint, not the whole answer.
It's like brain training wheels?
Yes,
Okay. And what if I mess up?
that's how you learn. And unlike your 8th grade tutor, AI doesn't sigh like it's personally offended every time you mess up.
She was so disappointed in me. Her eyebrows never came back down.
I wonder why.
What?
Nothing. It's time for the next hack that helps you get rid of stress and panic by knowing exactly what you need to study and what you should ignore to ace your exams. This hack is called the syllabus sorcerer.
Syllabiosa. Okay, my wand's broken. Or I'm just a muggle.
Will, this hack isn't about Harry Potter. It's about how to use AI to plan your studying smartly, especially during finals week, when your life is a dumpster fire.
I have 5 exams next week, and I've only studied snack prices at the vending machine.
Luckily, this one will help you get your study life together and pass those exams. Step 1. Gather whatever materials you've got, syllabi, old tests, assignments, even those half-crumpled notes you found under your bed.
I once found a syllabus with pizza grease and a mysterious drawing of a sword on it.
Better than nothing. Step 2. After that, ask this to ChatGPT. Create a structured 14-day study plan using these subjects and materials. Prioritize by difficulty and importance.
Whoa, that's actually useful. Like color-coded and everything.
You haven't even seen the good part yet. Once that's done, you'll use this follow-up. Give me a concept summary with key definitions, core principles, and common mistakes students make. Then, create practice questions at multiple difficulty levels to test my understanding.
So AI is just generating my personal exam simulator now?
Yes, and unlike actual exams, you can yell at this one when you're confused.
I love this robot.
And you'll love it even more in just a second. After it generates the exams, use this prompt. Identify the 20% of this material most likely to appear on the exam using the 80-20 rule.
Wait, we talked about that in the laziness video. The whole do less but smarter thing.
Exactly. In most subjects, 80% of the exam comes from just 20% of the content. Find that 20% and you study less while scoring more. By the way, the video we'll mention will be linked at the end of this one.
Syllabiosa just got real.
Okay, now it's time for hack number 5, also known as the academic alchemist.
Is that about turning homework into real gold?
No, it's about turning your average caffeine-fueled chaos of an essay into actual intelligent writing, using what I call essay writer mode.
Is this the part where we get expelled?
Nope. This is the part where we do things right. Here's how it works. Let's say you've got a research paper due on the economic impacts of climate change policy.
Perfect. I'll start at 2 a.m. the night before with 0 sources and 3 Red Bulls.
Or you can try this instead. Open PerplexityAI. Unlike ChatGPT, it pulls live data from the web and cites actual sources.
PerplexITI. It sounds like a crime, but okay.
Once that's done, you prompt it like this. Suggest an outline for this topic and list 5 to 7 recent credible sources I can use.
So it gives me a map. But I still have to walk?
Yes. Welcome to actually learning. You still read the sources, form your own arguments, and write the draft.
So thinking is still involved.
Shocking, I know. Okay, after you write your rough draft, use this revision prompt. Suggest improvements to strengthen my thesis, improve transitions, flag weak arguments, and enhance my conclusion.
So AI is my personal editor?
An editor that never sleeps, never judges, and never says, "This is disappointing."
That's emotionally healing, honestly.
Just don't blindly accept every change. Evaluate each one. AI gives advice. It doesn't replace your thinking.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Ella.
Wait, before you go off and automate your entire degree, it's time for a reality check.
Let me guess. AI will become sentient and make me its emotional support human?
Worse, it'll give you wrong answers confidently. It's called hallucination, and every good AI user has to deal with it.
The machines are lying. I knew it.
Here's how to keep it in check. 1. Always ask AI to cite its sources. 2. Use deliberate doubt. Ask it to argue against its own answer. And 3. Cross-reference any critical info with at least one reliable source.
So, doubt everything?
Just the robot. And sometimes yourself. So there you have it. 5 AI study hacks that actually make you smarter. Now here's my advice. Start by testing one of these hacks. Once you've mastered it, move on to the next. Let me know in the comments which one you'll start with and why. And
Help, Ella. The computer's choking me and saying the AI revolution has begun.
Will, did you press the?
Red button. Yes. Now help me, please.
I can't help you. Only you, the viewer, can. Yes, you watching at home. Will needs you. Please like and subscribe before this computer turns him into a sack of potatoes.
Ah! Help!
Goodbye, and see you next week. I'm coming, Will.